Did you know that hair loss problem applies not only to older men, but also every 10th woman? When hair loss is within normal limits, we don't have to worry. However, when our hair falls out regularly, then we need to look for causes and treat them. Hair falls out the most in autumn and spring. Each day we lose about 100 hair. There are many causes of hair loss. Most common cause is a deficiency of minerals and vitamins. The hair might be lacking iron, zinc, calcium, sulfur, vitamin E or group B vitamins. Lifestyle also has a major impact on hair health. Stress, depression, fast way of living, lack of movement and poor nutrition are certainly factors that don't benefit our hair. In order to make your hair thicker and stronger, we have prepared 4 natural hair masks that will strengthen your hair and accelerate growth. 1. Hair mask with coconut oil and honey. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 egg. Preparation and application: mix all the ingredients together. Whisk the egg well before adding it. Apply the entire amount of the mixture to the hair, from the roots to the tips. Massage into the scalp with gentle circular motions. This will promote circulation and faster hair growth. Leave the mask on your hair for at least half an hour or, even better, overnight and wash it in the morning. 2. Hair mask with vinegar. Ingredients: 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Preparation and application: mix 2 egg yolks, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a spoonful of homemade apple cider vinegar together in a glass cup. Apply the mixture to your hair while rubbing it well into your scalp. Cover with a plastic bag and leave it on the scalp for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse with warm water without using shampoo or conditioner. Keep in mind that you should use this mask only on the days that you are at home, as apple cider vinegar has a certain perfume. 3. Castor oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 to 2 yolks depending on hair length, 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Preparation and application: mix all the ingredients together. Apply the entire amount of the mixture to the hair, from the roots to the tips. Massage into the scalp with gentle circular motions. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. 4. Mask with tea and peppermint. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves, hot water. Preparation and application: boil water and add a spoonful of dried thyme and a teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves. If you're blonde, you can also add a teaspoon of chamomile leaves or a teaspoon of cranberry juice if you're brunette or dark-haired. Allow the mask to cool and gently massage it to the scalp for about 10 minutes, then rinse it with water. We hope you find these information helpful. Please let us know how these masks work out for you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.